everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as you all are aware that since the month of March, all the educational institutes, schools, colleges and coaching centers, they all are closed. But it is not so that education has stopped. Online classes are going on in most of the institutions since then. But now the question that is being asked by most of the students is that are these online classes so important, whether the attendance of these online classes matter or not. So actually, what is the thing that in many of the schools these online classes are going on, but all the students are not able to attend them. So if we talk about government schools, earlier there were no online classes for government school students, and now CBSE has announced, means the Delhi government has especially announced that these online classes will be conducted for the students of classes 11th and 12th. And as far as classes 1 to 10 are concerned, they will be provided study material by their teachers. So now if we talk about public schools or private schools, there regularly these online classes are going on, but there also some students are not able to attend these classes. So that is the thing that has become a cause of anxiety, or you can say tension for the parents of these students, that what will happen when our students are not able to attend these classes and all. So here I want to tell you very clearly that in the month of May only, CBSE had announced that the attendance of these online classes will be important, because CBSE was getting complaints that students are not taking these classes seriously. So that's why they announced, they released one advisory for all the students and schools that 75% attendance will be compulsory for all the students of 10th and 12th if they have to appear for their board exams. So this was made clear by the CBSE. But now there are so many things which need to be discussed here, that how will it be possible. As I have already told you that in government schools, 10th class is not being provided any online classes. So how will their attendance be counted? And if we talk about private schools, there also means many students are there, those who are not able to attend these classes. In public schools also many students come from EWS category. So it may be possible that they don't have any means to attend these online classes, or some students are not able to attend these classes due to poor network problem. So what will happen to those students? So I think personally, I believe that this year this attendance thing will not be counted, because it won't be possible for the government to give entry in the board exams on the basis of this attendance, because this year is quite different from other times and difficult times are going on. So this year I think only the marks in your board exams will matter more. So I will personally recommend that, but if you are able to attend these classes, please don't skip them, because if you will not study, you will not be able to get good marks, because these classes are provided to you only for your betterment only. So do attend these classes regularly, do all the assignments which are sent by your teachers and submit them on time. So please subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, and share this video with others also. Thank you.